case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court has concluded that federal district courts are not obliged to instructing juries on outcomes relating to a not guilty by reason of insanity judgment. This decision originated from Shannon v. United States, a 1994 case that posed substantial questions regarding courtroom rules and obligations. Shannon, the defendant in the case, had advanced an insanity defense and consequently asked for the jury to be enlightened on the aftermath of an NGI verdict. This stipulation was promptly denied by the court, laying the groundwork for a contentious appeal that eventually found its way to the Supreme Court. Before the reforms brought by the Insanity Defense Reform Act of 1984, federally recognized NGI verdicts were virtually non-existent. The individuals who successfully invoked an insanity defense were simply pronounced not guilty, with no standard federal rules addressing their commitment or treatment. This lack of legislative guidance drew heavy criticism, which engendered the eventual reforms. In rejecting Shannon's request for a mandatory instruction on NGI verdict implications, the Supreme Court maintained that such an instruction isn't prescribed by federal criminal practice or the Insanity Defense Reform Act. The court added that this ruling didn't constitute an unassailable edict. Federal district courts still have the discretion to provide instructions. However, the presumption was that such instructions must only be offered in exceptional instances, specifically when a misstatement occurs in front of the jury. The court's decision, while affirming a federal district court's autonomy regarding instructing juries, also underscored the need to avoid distractions within the jury. This, they suggested, could result from instructions about not guilty by reason of insanity outcomes, information that may not be directly relevant to the juror's role of establishing guilt or innocence.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.